You didn't ask me for explanations. You didn't trace my past and rhymes. You looked at me like I was present, not a question waiting for time. Your silence wasn't an absence, it was space where I could stand. For the first time I felt my body didn't need to ask for permission to exist. I spent years adjusting my edges, trying not to take too much room. Then you sat across the table like I was already enough. I don't disappear when I'm with you. I don't perform, I don't pretend. My name sounds honest in your mouth, like it finally learned where to land. No promises carved in stone, no fear of what comes next. If love is this kind of quiet, I can live inside it. I know love that comes like thunder, and love that leaves a mark. But what you give me is simpler, a steady flame, not a spark. You don't ask me to be smarter, you don't need me to be strong. You let me rest in who I am, and somehow that feels like home. I used to love from tension, from fear of being seen. Now love feels like breathing, no countdown in between. I don't disappear when I'm with you. I don't blur to fade your frame. My voice stays right where it belongs, and you don't flinch when I say my name. The rules written in fire, no future we must defend. If love can say it is you, but I don't need it to be alive. Some loves teach you survival, some teach you desire, but the rare ones teach you how to stay. I don't disappear when I'm with you. I don't trade you for grace. I stand whole and alone, and you don't look away. If this is our love is meant to be, no stage, no disguise, and let it stay exactly here where my name feels safe. I don't disappear